In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the fun financial aspects of assessments versus increasing condo fees and when you have to do them and which one you should choose and why. Typically, an assessment or an increase in condo fees is necessary when either a major expense is going to happen or a repair that you have to pay for. B, your budget was out of whack and something happened that the money just wasn't enough. Or C, you want to be really proactive and to be able to make sure that they increase, that you have enough money in the bank for future rainy days. So usually assessments is for bigger capital improvements. You know that they're going to be coming up. And I'm talking about boiler changes, right? Roof changes. These are the type of things that were definitely not put into your day-to-day operating budget. It might be a $20,000 roof that's being replaced and you say, well, you have to pay this roofer their deposit as well as when they complete the work. We're going to need that money fast, right? So what you'll do is an assessment can be paid over time. An assessment is just a one time, two time, and as many times as you want collection. So let's use that $20,000. If you have 10 units, you're going to need $2,000 per unit. Now, if you want to break it into 2 payments, you might be able to do $1,000 per month, right, for 2 months. Doesn't matter, but at the end of the day, you're going to be able to get that $20,000 from each unit owner. And we can talk about it in a different video, actually, how to collect assessments. However, that increase in condo fees is more of a stable, smaller increase. And we say that because if we're looking at a budget for next year, we know that we have to do a lot of landscaping or other repairs that might be necessary, but it's going to be over the course of a year, not something so acute like roof replacement. You're going to say, okay, well, we've added up all the income, we've added up all the potential expenses for next year, and that income isn't going to cover those expenses. So what you're going to have to do is determine what that shortage is, figure out how many units that you have, and divide that amount by the number of units, and obviously based upon the square footage of each unit. You need to say, okay, everybody, your condo fees are going to go up by 5%. That'll allow you to have more income coming in to offset those expenses so you can run at a zero balance or a little bit of a surplus, right? Or sometimes we increase condo fees because we know that other things are going to be expending. You want to have a little bit more in the bank, or that you want to put a little bit more into your reserve account, which is like your piggy bank for, rainy days. So typically assessments are usually more for things that have to be done quicker, higher amounts, bigger capital improvements. Increasing condo fees are for things for budgeted purposes, for be able to plan for the future a little bit more on a longer term scale.